Welcome back to the Dream Cars, where we explore the machines that shape the future of driving. Today, we're diving into one of the most affordable and practical EVs coming from India, the Mahindra eVerito 2026. It's not flashy, it's not a speed demon, but it's got something far more valuable in today's world: purpose. The Mahindra eVerito has always flown under the radar. Originally launched as one of India's first electric sedans, it was more common in taxi fleets than private garages. But the 2026 version brings a refined take on what made it useful: subtle but smart upgrades aimed at city commuters, ride-share drivers, and eco-conscious families looking for that rare blend of efficiency, space, and economy. From the outside, the eVerito remains largely the same: simple, functional, and upright. But a closer look reveals reworked LED headlights, blue EV detailing on the grille, and new aerodynamic wheel covers. It's designed for function over flair, but there's a quiet confidence in that design language. This is a car that isn't trying to impress, it's trying to deliver. At its core is a 31 kWh lithium-ion battery paired with an electric motor pushing out 42 horsepower. That might not sound like much, and truthfully, it isn't meant to be thrilling. What it is, though, is consistent and efficient. Perfect for everyday drives, office commutes, school drop-offs, or a full day of ride-share duty. Mahindra claims a real-world range of 250 kilometers, and with careful driving, some users might stretch that to around 280. For anyone operating mainly within city limits, that's more than enough to get through a couple of days on a single charge. Charging the eVerito is simple. A regular 15A plug will give you a full charge in about 11 hours, basically overnight. If you have a 3.3 kilowatts wall box installed, that drops to under 8. And for those in a hurry, DC fast charging can take the battery from 0 to 80% in just over an hour. It's not ultra-fast like some premium EVs, but again, it's more than sufficient for its target audience. Step inside and the cabin tells the same story as the exterior: straightforward, no nonsense, but not without thought. The dashboard now features a modest digital display and a simple touchscreen infotainment unit that supports Bluetooth, USB, and smartphone integration. Materials are durable and easy to clean, which is ideal for high-use drivers. There's plenty of rear seat space, thanks to the flat floor, and the boot remains spacious enough for luggage or delivery packages. It's not luxurious, but it's solidly built and comfortable where it matters. Driving the eVerito is a calm experience. It's silent, of course, that's a given with EVs, but it also offers smooth, linear acceleration. There's no sudden pull, but it glides forward with enough momentum to handle city traffic with ease. Regenerative braking has been tuned better in this version, allowing for energy recovery while slowing down. Steering is light, parking is easy, and the ride quality is soft, making it perfect for daily urban routes. Safety features have seen a bit of an upgrade. Dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a strengthened body shell come standard. It may not offer advanced ADAS systems, but for a car in this category and price, it covers the basics well. And speaking of price, that's one of the biggest strengths of the Mahindra eVerito 2026. It's expected to launch under 11 lakh rupees ex-showroom, with additional savings through state EV subsidies. That makes it one of the most affordable electric sedans not just in India, but globally. Combine that with the low running costs, minimal maintenance, no fuel, and cheaper electricity, and it becomes a very attractive choice for long-term savings. The eVerito 2026 isn't trying to be a Tesla, a Hyundai Ioniq, or even compete with the Tata Nexon EV. It's aiming at a different lane entirely: reliable, budget-friendly electric transport for the masses. For delivery drivers, office goers, fleet operators, or anyone who wants to quietly shift into the EV era without breaking the bank, this sedan makes a lot of sense. In a world chasing performance numbers, luxury badges, and touchscreens the size of TV sets, the eVerito stays grounded. It knows its job, and it does it well. No drama, no noise, just silent, efficient mobility. So, is the Mahindra eVerito 2026 a dream car? Maybe not in the conventional sense. But for those dreaming of clean energy, low costs, and a practical city commute, it might just be the perfect match. If this video helped you understand the eVerito a little better, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Dream Cars. Drop a comment below. Would you consider an electric sedan like this for your next vehicle, or are you waiting for something flashier? Thanks for watching, and as always, drive safe, drive smart, and keep dreaming.